Hi everyone, this is Abhshek and welcome to my channel. I'm Miss. This is the unboxing and the quick overview video of my brand new laptop Acer Predator Helios 300. I'll show you unboxing of the Flipkart delivery which I received. We will also quickly go through physical structure of the laptop, its features, gaming experience and performance. So stay tuned for all of that till the end. Welcome again. Let's see the unboxing now. Since the moment I placed order in Flipkart, I was very excited about this product. I was so excited that I couldn't even resist myself from opening the delivery box immediately after I got my hands on it. Even I forgot to put on a decent attire before shooting this video, so please excuse me for that. I think we all know that Flipkart just conducted their Big Billion Sale 2018 in the mid of October. Flipkart was offering a huge Rs 50,000 flat discount on Acer Predator Helios 300 laptop, which was a very good deal. If you see, the actual price of this laptop is around 90k right now, but I managed to get it for around 50k along with Flipkart extended warranty. Here's one quick tip. Always make sure that before you open any product or you receive any product, you check that the brand seal or any cover or so are intact properly to the product. By doing so, you can make sure that the product you're receiving is authentic, is not used by anyone else before, and is safe. So here's the laptop, and it is looking gorgeous. And yeah, that's the slow-mo superhero entry. So there was no charge in the battery, so I had to plug in the charger. Then I tried to switch it on again, and yeah, this time it worked. So this is the first boot for the laptop. So obviously you have to set up the Windows account while booting up for the first time. Here you go, you have to select the region, country. You can also connect to Wi-Fi so that Windows will start updating the software in the first place. You can either create a local Windows account, or you can also log in with your Microsoft account if you have any. Here's the physical overview of the laptop, and let's also have a look into some of its key features. I did this test after 3 weeks of usage. By this time I already had some of heavy games and some of heavy softwares installed in it already. And as you can see, it is still pretty much fast. It just took 10 to 12 seconds to boot up, and it is ready to use, as you can see. Here I am playing a Need for Speed Payback 2017 with ultra settings and vertical sync turned off. As you can see, this machine is able to run the game pretty much smoothly. You can see that the game is running at an average of 40 frames per second, which is really good. I also tried PUBG Mobile with Tencent Gaming Buddy emulator, and here also I was able to see an average of 30 frames per second with high graphics and high-end settings. Overall, I'll say this laptop provides a great package. Considering its performance, gaming experience and the price, I would say it is a great value for money. So far I am really happy and excited about this purchase of mine. I'm really looking forward to use it and see its limits. After a fair amount of uses, I'll try to make a detailed review video on this laptop. And apart from this, there's one more topic I'd like to cover here. Normally what happens when we purchase a laptop online, there are certain things we need to be aware of, such as product registration, warranty registration, authenticity, how to claim it, and all of these stuffs. And a lot of people get confused while doing these things. Even I faced some of the situation while doing the same for the Acer Predator Helios 300. So I'm planning to make a video on these things up next. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video and found it informative. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in my next video.